Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you will be fine. I'm here with my new video, and in this video we'll see some different methods from the heel in really beautiful design and different color combination that look really amazing and look really nice. And as you see, this one in red color, a really beautiful color, really beautiful design that look really pretty and look really nice. And as you see, this one look really beautiful, unique design and a really unique design. This one with white and tiger print, and that look really beautiful, look really nice and amazing. And this one in a silver color, really shiny material. This is in yellow, a really unique color. And as you know, heels are that type of footwear that goes with your every kind of outfit, like it's western or it's traditional. It look really beautiful with both and enhance your personality, make your outfit more pretty and make it more beautiful. And as you see, this one is also a little bit fancy, a butterfly theme in the back. And as you see, it's in red color, or transparent from the front. This one is also in a red with some silver bow type of thing on the front. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so watch this video till end. And if you want to add some heels in your collection to make your collection more interesting and make it more beautiful, so you can get ideas for that. And as you see, this was in a white and silver, and that look also really nice. This one is a purple color, and that look really amazing, really unique color. And as you see, this was in a green color, a really bright and attractive color. And if you're a high heel lover and every kind of a footwear lover, so on this platform you will find them in really beautiful design and different color combinations, so do check them and comment below which type of video you want to see the next. If you had some new ideas, so comment that below. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the icon. If you press the icon, whenever I post a new video, you will get the notification. So like this video, comment on this video, and share this video. So that's it for today's video. I will see you next video. So bye bye, take care, and thanks for